Alright, so I got her idling a little better. Cleaned out the IAC, the idle control valve. It was pretty gummed up to the point where it was like a millimeter larger than it was supposed to be, caked with grease from my intake, which had grease in it, and oil or water. Now, I have a squeaking sound coming from somewhere. I'm thinking maybe belt. And if I give it a little bit of gas, it bogs down first. And that squeaking gets louder. That's a pretty good one. Somebody to tell me if maybe they think it's still the crank position sensor. It's selling on buying one on Monday. See, it only does it sometimes. And the squeaking sound doesn't happen all the time. Is it a bearing going in a pump or something? Plus also I have a ticking noise down here somewhere. Not quite sure from where. Of course, I could be wrong from where it's coming from. My check engine light has gone away. I cleared it. I've had it running for a while. I suppose if I take it for a drive, I'll probably get the check engine light again. I don't know. This is starting to bug me. I don't want to spend, well, I don't have the money to spend muchos amounts of dollars. You can hear my fuel pump is pretty loud all the time, like about that loud. You can hear it over the motor sometimes, but it sounds like it's going. So I don't know. My messy Jeep. If anybody has any ideas or suggestions other than crankshaft position sensor, I'm going to go with the crankshaft position sensor. That hesitation is horrible. But it's starting more often, but then every once in a while it won't start. My step stool, my short ass can see where I'm going. I have here, by my fuse box and my battery, is a sensor dangling by a wire. Now I have no idea what this sensor is for. All I know is it's on a very short wire, and it's just hanging there when I bought the Jeep. The person who had the Jeep before me wasn't very nice to it at all. In fact, just under here is a stick going through the floor. Yes, that's right, I said a stick. It's about 3 inches wide, and half a foot long. Anyway, if anybody has any kind of suggestions, maybe something I should do, it'd be great. But if not, then I'm just gonna go with crankshaft position sensor and hope for the best. Now here you gotta get low power, otherwise it won't work. Anyway, thanks for all the help so far, guys. It's been very helpful. But if you got any other suggestions, it'd be great. Thanks.